5 lemons, cream 0, 5 liter, fresh lemon juice 8 tablespoons, sugar 6 tablespoons, raspberries, blueberries and blackberries for decoration. Cut the lemons in half. Using a spoon, carefully remove the soft part of the lemon without damaging the peel. Strain the lemon juice. Heat the cream, but do not boil it. Add sugar. Add lemon juice. Fill the lemons with cream. Place in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours.
Little whisk is shaking up my soul. This lemon posset gives me sweet control.